Well, GIFT Nifty is pointing to a higher start, but that said, Nifty could face another day of caution on any excessive strength amidst the lingering impact of US-China trade tensions. On the trade war front, Apple Inc. shares were trading with negative bias on media reports that officials in China are set to accelerate an antitrust probe into its App Store business. The negative takeaway is that the US tariffs on China and Beijing's retaliation are big concern and ominous for the global economy. Now, apart from ongoing trade tariff war, all anxious eyes will also be on Friday's RBI MPC outcome. The Street is hoping high that RBI can deliver a rate cut, especially after FM Nirmala Sitharaman in the Union Budget 2025-26 emphasized on economic growth to rely more on boosting consumption in a slowing economy rather than firing the capex engine. Technically, confirmation of strength only above Nifty's biggest hurdles at 24,027 mark, which is also the benchmark's 200 DMA. Meanwhile, outflows from Indian equities are likely increase further and weigh on sentiments. This calendar year so far, FIIs have sold to the tune of Rs. 93,443 crores. The Street will also spy with one big eye on Donald Trump's comments about taking over Gaza and displacing the Palestinian population. Long story short, tumbling oil prices towards $71 a barrel is the biggest positive catalyst. Market trends. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1683 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 996 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating bullish consolidation day on the daily charts. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,500 to 24,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has dropped towards 14.08 levels. At last check, USD INR was in demand at 87.35. Nifty PCR, 27th February, is at 1.11 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th February, is at 0.93. Nifty outlook. Nifty's bullish resilience will be tested. We suspect Nifty may weather global trade concerns in today's trade. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23696. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 23,477 mark. Immediate intraday resistance is placed only at 24,100 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23550 and 23900. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 50343. Bank Nifty's biggest support now seen at 49,500 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 50,900 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 49,800 and 50,800. Bias for the day is positive. Need to know. The benchmarks Nifty and Sensex took a breather in yesterday's trade after recent spectacular rebound. There is bright chance that Nifty will resume its ascent amidst positive global cues backdrop. Helping sentiments will be the US dollar, which has dropped significantly to under 107.50 levels. The corporate India's Q3 earnings to trickle in today. Bharti Airtel, SBI, ITC, Trent, Britannia, REC, Hiromoto Corp, BSE, Aurobindo Pharma, NMDC, Pi Industries, MAF Cochin Shipyard, Apollo Tyres, Chambal Fertilizer, Sonata Software.